Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating question, which is 404 not found. Okay, so in this question there is telling a chef website has a specific response mechanism based on a HTTP status code. Okay, if the response code is 404 means the website is not found, and if the response code is other than 404, then you just have to return the found. Okay, so there is given a response X and you just have to determine whether the website will respond or not. Okay, so the input format will be the first and only line of input contain response code X. Output of a new line not found if a response means there is given a X, which is integer input that you take from user, and you just have to check whether it is found or not. Okay, so this is easiest question, I guess. You just have to use if else statement and you just have to print it. Okay, so let's understand with an example. Here is given a 404. Just suppose there is given a 404. You just have to return not found. Okay, you just have to return not found. And if you get any number other than 404, let's suppose you got 156, 200, any number which is not equals to 404, then you have to return found. Okay, you just have to return the found. So this so how you can approach this question? First you have to apply if condition. If X, let's suppose X you taken from input from the user, and you just have to check if X equals to 404. If it is 404, then you just have to do not found. You just have to print not found. Okay, you just have to print not found. Else means if it is other than 404, then you just have to print found. Okay, so I hope you understand the pseudocode, that what this code is telling. First you have to create int X and then just take cin, which is you just have to take the input X from the user. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to create int X and then take the input from the user. Okay, and then you just have to apply the condition if X is equals to 404, then you just have to do cout not found in a capital letter. Okay, else you just have to do cout found. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine, I guess. So let's submit this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.